Sarvodaya, Sri Lanka's premier civil service movement with over 50 years of fully engaged history, was in the forefront in trying to bring relief and rehabilitate tsunami victims. Damniamgama Eco Village is one such project Sarvodaya feel very proud about. This village was built with love and compassion extended by Agape Spiritual Community and AGNT in the USA. This beautiful eco-village is a model to the world. People live as one community in spite of the different backgrounds they came from.
Though they were helped to put up these houses and all that, they were made to feel that self-reliance, community participation, and the scientific way of building a new sustainable community is most important. So these people have built such a village within a short span of maybe 1.5 to 2 years.
In this eco-village, nothing goes waste. All of them, young and old, are so environmentally conscious. They make all their waste into compost. Youth lead the recycling process.
හැමදාම සිකුරාදා හවස 5:00 ඉඳන් 6:00 වෙනකම් කරනවා. සමහර අයට මම ගිහින් මතක් කරනවා අද කුන්නේ එකතු කරන් තිනවා එන්න කියලා. එහෙනම් තමයි ඉතින් සන්තෝෂෙන් මෙතනට ඇවිල්ලා සහයෝගයෙන් ඔක්කොම වැඩ කරනවා.
They only buy few vegetables from the market. Almost all have their own home garden. Fresh vegetables grow throughout the year. People use rainwater for gardening and washing. Even the groundwater is used with utmost care. There is a utility center with so many facilities. A bank, telecenter, library, health center, playground and a preschool. The beauty of this village is that youth play a major role in every aspect.
The young people, the youth, contributing in a very big way in Sri Lanka, in this particular village, to build up this sustainable village community. We believe that this kind of sustainable communities are necessary to be built all over the world.